Give it up for the post with the most. My mother effing brother. Hold on, there's no kids here, right? Oh. Yeah, it's like the kid has been outed. My brother from another mother. Gosh darn it. Oh, she know the deal. Please give it up for Droopy Anderson.
So far? Huh? I appreciate all the black nerds who came through the convention last weekend. It was loveliness. It was big freaking fun. I don't know, somebody who real strong and real lonely fucked with this mic stand. Ah! Yeah, I'll let you hang out. Okay, say it word. Oh, so you're the lonely one. Look how you see you. I'll chill for now. Our feature's arrived. Where is it? Oh yeah, that feature. Okay, word. We'll get there. I'm Droopy the Broke Baller. I'm y'all co-host. We're gonna have some fun tonight. Our feature tonight is just a really blaze dynamic brother. All right, by the name of Jason Reynolds. Yeah. For real, yeah. Name speaks for itself. In the meantime, we got such a loaded list, I'm just gonna not talk as much shit as usual and just get right into the rules. We do this thing called the ringtone relays. Yeah, the ringtone relays, because what happens is, and you might be tempted to say, well, it doesn't really work, but as many ringtones and phones as you might hear throughout the night, imagine how many more you would hear if we didn't do this. All right, the ringtone relay is, we get the ringtones out the way in the first 5 minutes of the set. So everybody cues up their favorite joints, favorite song, you know, Cat Williams talking about, you have a hell on line 1, whatever your favorite ringtone is, pull it out. And you know what I'm saying, I run around the room, I grade and appraise everybody's ringtones, then it's done, it's out the way, and then we can get into the poetry, all right? And then you just really get played if your phone goes off throughout the rest of the night. So while y'all queuing up your ringtones, I'll tell you some other rules. Lion has fiberglass. That stuff right there. It ain't glass, it's magical. It keeps out negative energy. See how it's warm in here? That's the fiberglass. See how, you know, it ain't nobody got robbed yet? Yeah. That's the fiberglass. It ain't because nobody dishonest is in here. Please, you can never escape, you know, ruffians and rascals. What else? Ooh. Somebody's selling something. Somebody has like product, something. Like for instance, like, I'm sorry, can I borrow your chair real quick? This is just real quick. I will. I am selling Obama's Senate seat. That's the awesome part right there. Y'all know Saturday Night Live gonna have fun with that shit. They gonna have the man on the home shopping network put that joint on eBay. It's easier to get Obama's Senate seat than it is to get a ticket to the damn inauguration ball. God damn. Untouchables, Illinois politics, what you gonna do? But seriously, if anybody's selling anything, like Jason has like product, like, I hope he has it. I don't know, I think it's like $50. But it's worth it. This ain't no regular poetry book. This is like a coffee table book with poetry and pieces of paper that Jimi Hendrix signed, and it's big and stuff, man. He said hardback. That takes me to our feature of the night besides Jason Reynolds. Not as fly, but always present. Sexual innuendo. Right on, whenever somebody says something freaky, you make it freaky dicky, you dig? Alright? Play with the thing. Alright? See, shit like that. Within appropriateness though. Within appropriateness. Somebody might come up here the first time or they stay real nervous. And you up there saying, he said, shoot. he said A. You know, so that's within reason. All right, so you got your ringtones ready? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, what you got? Right here. Oh, yeah, I like it. Right here. Nice.
So I won't hear no more ringtones all night. You had your chance. Alright, so I talked enough shit for now. We're going to start into the list. You got volunteer to go first?
No, we do not.
We did not have volunteer to go first. Volunteer to go first gets to do 2 pieces. Second. My man already had it. Y'all give it up. This your first time at Mocha Hut? First time for that Mocha Hut. Get up for Malcolm.